In this video, I'm going to show you how you can calculate your Forex trade risk. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So risk management is one of the fundamentals in Forex trading, and if you don't know how to calculate your risk, I'm going to show you how you can do that in today's video totally free on your mobile phone. So the first thing you will want to do is come over to your Play Store, and then you will need to search for an app and just go ahead and put in Forex calculators, and then you will need to go ahead and install the top search result here. And then from here, once that is installed, all you need to do is simply click on open. Once you click on open, obviously the app will load up, and then first of all you will need to select your account currency. So a lot of the time it will be US dollar, or it could be, Great British pounds. And then you'll need to go ahead and select your currency pair, and obviously this is very important because for different currency pairs the amount of risk will be different. So for example, I will change this and I will go with AUD USD. And then the next step will be to enter in your account balance. So for example, you could go ahead and put in 100,000. And then the next step will be to enter in your stop loss in pips. So for this example, I will go ahead and input 30 pips. And then risk by percentage. So for me personally, I go ahead and risk 1%. And then once you've put that in, all you need to do is simply click on calculate. Once you click on calculate, you'll get all the information down below that you need. So for example here, standard lots would be 3.33, mini lots would be 33.3, and micro lots would be 333, but the most common is standard lot. So that's what your lot size would be for your 1% risk on this specific pair with this specific stop loss. So that's how you can go ahead and calculate your lot size.